Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some neon glow-in-the-dark cupcakes. So if you want to find out how to make these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell and stay tuned because here we go. So you're going to want to have some cupcakes and some icing, and you'll need white chocolate and the neon colors, food coloring. You can use any icing and cupcake recipe you want, obviously. I did black icing. These also work on white icing. If you see the neon glow-in-the-dark cake I did before, that was on white icing. I'll link that here. And I'll also link my Swiss meringue buttercreams, the cheat and the traditional recipe, if you want to give those a try. So here I'm just going ahead and adding my icing. I'm just doing a simple traditional swirl on it, pipe in the middle first, then wrap around, start to go up for the second level, and then as you want to finish it off, you start to release pressure and pull. To make the neon splatter, you're just going to take your white chocolate. I divided mine up in 5 colors for this one. You're just going to want to put them in a microwave safe bowl and microwave them for about 30-second intervals. Mix them up, make sure that they're nice and smooth. Make sure not to burn your chocolate, so when it looks like it's almost completely melted and you maybe just have a few pieces left, just keep stirring and that will take care of melting that to last a little bit. Can't talk. Then you're going to add your neon or blacklight reactive coloring, and with this, sometimes it will seize up the chocolate, which you can re-microwave them for about 20 seconds to get it melted, or you can also add just a tiny bit of boiling hot water. Like if you have some boiling hot water, just take a little spoon and just drip a few drips in, mix it up, and then you'll get it to the perfect consistency. And if at any time while you're splattering your cupcakes they start to cool down, you can just pop them back in the microwave for like 5-10 seconds, stir them up again, and they're good to go. Once you get that right consistency in the beginning, you just occasionally need to warm them back up. Or you can always do one color at a time, like get your orange all together, then get all your cupcakes covered with orange, then go to your green, get all them splattered with the green, and so on and so on. Or you can do like I did and do all of them at once and then just have to possibly re-nuke them every so often. As you can see here, all I did to get the splatter effect is I had them all on a turntable, and then I just took a brush, and when I got it to the drippy consistency, I would just kind of hold it over and give it a little flick with my wrist. Or you can just sometimes, if it's a little warm, cool down, you can just slowly place it on there and it still drips fine. You'll start to notice if it's getting too cool when it's really thick and it doesn't start to drip off the brush. Obviously that's the consistency you want. And also I kept it on a turntable so occasionally I could turn the cupcakes, because you want to make sure that you're getting different angles and not only coating like one side, so all the cupcakes are all more colorful in the front and less on the back or something like that. And these cupcakes the icing has a little bit of condensation because I had these chilled before I got to do them. That is not required. It's just how I was able to do them this day. Really can't talk today. So when I did them, and I pulled them out, they got a little bit of condensation, but it didn't affect anything. So to not need to worry. So I used some neon paper or blacklight reactive paper and made some happy birthday toppers to put on this. Or you could do whatever, happy retirement, happy 16th, whatever, you know, happy skating party, whatever you're doing, happy 80s or something, I don't know. Whatever you're doing, make some custom toppers, or you don't need them, obviously. The cupcakes are cool enough without them. But you will need a black light to make it reactive. I mean, they're really cool, as you can see, by themselves. But if you want to get that glowing effect, you will need a black light. So again, these are perfect for party places where it's like a darker, like skating, or maybe like glow-in-the-dark bounce nights, or like even a bowling, like a bowling night that has the glow-in-the-dark. That would be great. Or wherever you're going, just get a black light off of Amazon, and then, you know, before cutting into them or handing them out or whatever, you can always have the black light shining on them and the lights turned out. That's all you need to do. So if you liked watching me make these, again, make sure you've booped the like button. Comment down below that you got to the end of the video and type in Neon Glow Cupcakes. And if you haven't already, make sure you've subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a tutorial or a recipe. And as always, live, love, eat sweets.